Hey guys, we're here in Singapore and we are going to have a quick review on the ST Signature. Friendly advice, before you book a hotel, make sure to check the green certificate. This ensures that the hotel is clean and safe. So ST Signature is located inside Little India and also near Mustafa, the famous shopping mall. Just across you can find the train station. Nearby you can find a clinic and near the police station. Now let's go inside and take a quick tour. Upon entry, you can find the living room. You can rest, relax, use the Wi-Fi, and ask assistance on your booking. You can also rent bicycle here. Now you need to self-check-in using the ST Signature mobile app. Just follow the instructions. Once done, electronic key will be available like this. Near the lobby, you'll find a kitchen where you can store food and cook. This is ideal if you are on a group on budget or just prefer home-cooked meal. So they have two-door refrigerator where you can store food or drinks. This is quite convenient because utensils are available and also water. Now let's go to the laundry area. If you run out of clothes, you can wash here. Although this is not free, you can exchange your money to coins in order to use the washing machine. Next door is the most important one, the bathroom and toilet. First, let's check the bathroom. It is clean and well maintained. Body wash, shampoo is available. If you prefer warm water, they also get. If you notice, there are a lot of rooms for bath and toilet. They also got hair blower for ladies and big mirror. Now let's check the toilet. Wow, it's clean. They also have hand wash in good condition, tissue available. Let's go inside our room. You can see the room. Very minimalist. There's enough space. There. Towel rack. Small living room. Then outside. Then the table. 2-in-1 table and book bag going upstairs. Air conditioner. And another trash bin here. And then enough space. This one. You can chair also. One chair. And then this is your switch. Okay. Safety box. Small refrigerator. And I also noticed first one. Not sure if this is okay, now if you want to go upstairs, you need to be very careful because the stair is small. Stair. You see that? It's like box. This is your small pathway, and this was your table, and then you have some charger here, here, and then another stair boxes. You can reach upstairs. So this is how the bed looks like. The mattress is good and doesn't have any back pain. So far, it's quite okay. We also got television. Just connect to the Wi-Fi and then you're good to go. And they have socket here to charge the 3 pins, and then USB-A, 2 USB-A, and then your light. That will be on the right. And then the other side, they got like smoke sensors, alarms. So there's the view of our room. Now the problem here, since I am 6 feet, around 183 or 184 centimeters, the ceiling will be the problem. I need to bend. So when you go down, you can hold here. It's that because this one doesn't have any barricade or anything that supports. Step, step, go down. Step, step, and you're done. And so far, um, it's really a personal opinion because I'm allergic to pollens and close room. I prefer with a window. This is the cheapest we get. It's located on ground floor, and I sneeze a lot because of my allergy. The room is clean actually. Yeah, the room is clean, well maintained, I guess. There's just no window, so better choose if you prefer window, but it's gonna be like maybe costly or expensive. And if you ask me how is the neighbor, is it noisy or can you be heard or you can hear outside? Yeah, you can hear if they're very loud, but this is good wall. Yeah, good wall. And this is the division to the other room. So there are like more rooms. I also noticed that there are a lot of foreigners and the location, yeah, location wise, because it's located on Jalan Besar near Little India. And when you go out, the MRT is already on your in front if you just cross Jalan Besar. So you can connect to other trains if you want to go to the tourist spot like Gardens in the Bay, Chang Airport, and so on. So it's a good location actually. Located at Jalan Besar near Little India. And the food, yeah, you can find a lot of food, but mostly Indian.